Hi, I'm Chris with MGK. I'm the Technical Service Manager with MGK, and today we're going to be talking about CrossFire. We also have with us here today Robert Sarani, who is our Senior Entomologist at MGK, and we also have Tommy Powell, who is our Field Tech Services Representative for MGK. Today we're going to talk a little bit about CrossFire. It's our new bedbug concentrate. It has a patent formulation. And to talk a little bit about the product, I'm going to pass this over to Robert. He's going to give us a little more information about the actual formulation of CrossFire.
Okay, good morning. Bedbugs remain one of the most difficult pest programs to control because of the complexities of the infestation. Bedbugs also evolved layer upon layer of defenses to protect themselves and ensure their survivors. CrossFire has been developed specifically to target these layers independently. CrossFire has an active ingredient, metofluthrin, which belongs to a very unique elite class of chemicals that actually volatilizes. Why is it important? Because one of the major layers of defense for bedbugs is really the cuticle. Breaching the volatilization of the active ingredient allows the active ingredient to breach the cuticle by entering through the spiracles directly into reaching the target sites. In addition, CrossFire also has the main workhorse of the product is the latest generation of neonicotinoid, which has been developed to have an exceedingly great toxicological profile, resulting in no signal for the product. In addition, one of the critical layers of defense for an organism is detoxification, trying to prevent the toxicants to reach the target site. CrossFire also includes the insecticide synergist, which actively prevents the detoxification of this active ingredient. So the product itself was designed to target the specific defense mechanism of the bedbugs independently. Interestingly, and I'm not a marketer, so I'm really talking outside of my expertise here, the name of CrossFire really brings the performance of the product true. We really put the bedbugs into CrossFire. We have special operation troops moving and working deep inside the enemy territories inside the bedbugs, targeting, weakening the detoxification system, as well as causing direct toxicity. This allows the main charge of cavalry, which is basically the active ingredient clothianine, to have a much stronger impact on the individual bedbugs. So CrossFire has really created a unique product and brings a unique product into the bedbug management system for the PMPs and the world. Thank you very much.
What the technicians in the field are seeing is they like the speed of kill. They get really quick knockdown. The no signal word that Robert mentioned is another great advantage to CrossFire. And they also like the many target sites that are on the label. CrossFire can be applied directly to mattresses, couches, things like that. And that's something that technicians seem to really like about the CrossFire product. I'm going to let Robert talk a little bit about the long residual of CrossFire and how that works.
The residual efficacy of a product depends on a number of components, of course, but one of the key is how much active ingredient is deposited in a square area where bedbugs may or may not be traversing at the time of application. Bedbug infestation can occur over time, and so locations which have been treated in the past may or may not be effectively controlling the new infestations. So the residual efficacy of a product, one of the key aspects of residual efficacy is the amount of active ingredient remaining on the surface. So assuming similar degradation pathways of the product or the active ingredients, having more active ingredient per unit area will increases the residual efficacy of the product. That's also important in the light of the fact that this product also has a synergist, which further helps the residual efficacy of the product by weakening the immune system or the detoxification system of the target pest. CrossFire has a very high load of active ingredient per unit area because of the benign low toxicity of the active ingredient. Therefore, it provides a longer residual efficacy under the assumption that the degradation rate of the active ingredients are similar across different products in the marketplace. So in fact, it has about 8 times more active ingredient than some of the other leading products in the marketplace.
Right.
Laboratory studies only provide a very restricted model of the real life situation. So the truth of the pudding is really how it works at the under field condition. And Tommy and Chris has a number of field studies which demonstrated that CrossFire provides a long efficacy against bed bug, very challenging bed bug situation.
With the long residual of CrossFire, what operators are finding in the field is that they're able to reduce the number of treatments that they have in the field. So instead of maybe treating a unit, apartment unit or a home 2 or 3 times, they're only treating it once. And that's cutting back on, not only cutting back on their callbacks, so their cost of all the other products that they're using in the home. So that's one really big benefit of CrossFire. And what's something that our customers seem to really enjoy, and they're seeing that cost reduction. Just finish
All
it
right.
off.
Yeah. So that's our new product, MGK new products, CrossFire Concentrate. If you have any other questions about CrossFire, contact us at mgk.com. Thank you.